Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. Mountain Summit Gear has made this portable table that has saved me so many trips in and out of the house when we're enjoying our backyard grill. It is lightweight and portable and so sturdy. It even includes a convenient carrying case that takes up about the same amount of room as a tent. This is my first experience with a roll top table, so I was pleasantly surprised to see that it came in two pieces. That's it. The tabletop pieces are held together by kind of like an elastic bungee cord, and all you have to do is unroll it on the top of the table and then secure it in with the pins. It is really easy and it does not slide around at all. We've been grilling every few days and we just decided to leave this set up. And even though we've had several thunderstorms, lots of rain, this doesn't show any sign of wearing down. And because of the slats, we didn't have to worry about it blowing away either. It's so easy to move around our yard. We can keep it up by our house by the grill, or we can even move it out near our fire pit so that we can use it to assemble our s'mores. I love having this because I can just set it and forget it, and it helps me out so much. And that's my point of view.